Hello and welcome to a Marking Made Easy tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import from Excel into the EasyMarker app and create a whole batch of different labels at once. My name is Enda, I'm the co-founder and also a fellow teacher, and I'm going to take you through this tutorial today. The EasyMarker app has a great ability where you can import directly from Excel. This allows you to create a whole range of labels from one data source. As a teacher, why would you need this? You can do so much. One idea is creating student book labels or targets or reading ages, so it's easy to put on their book or give to their student. Next, you can create differentiated questions or question sets from easy, medium, hard, or you could create varied assessment points or different progress tasks for the students. So, firstly, you need to create the Excel sheet you want to create labels with. So here I have an example of creating a label I want for student books. So firstly, I want to make sure the first row has the labels like student name, teacher, year, and target. That's important because later on it will select these data sources, these columns A, B, C, and D. Next, you can design your label. So for example, here I have my student name, teacher, year, and target grade. I've left space because there's going to be variables changing like name and target grade, where I'm going to put in a little later. Next, you'll see the button here above the label where you can select the Excel document we want to import. Now I need to select the data source. I can do this easily from importing from Excel. So if you're using Mac, you could airdrop it to your phone, or if you're using the Excel app, you can select it from there. Then I select the data source I want, and here you can see I'm choosing the student details. Now that I've selected the data source, the app will know to take from these columns. So I select data column and I can import from whatever column I want. So I'll start to take the student name, for example, then I can select the teacher and then design my template using the Excel sheet. Now I've designed my label and I've put in place the data columns that I wanted to select from. So you'll see if I click the arrows below the label, it will automatically generate labels for every single student that have their unique target grade that I wanted them. Now I can get them printed, I can get them on their books. All my books look uniform, the students know their target grade, and they're good to go. That's just one example of importing from Excel, but use your imagination. You can do so much with this feature. You can create all sorts of labels, designs, whatever you want for your classroom and your students. So happy marking, and hope this tutorial helped.